Hello, and welcome to OMRON's Human Vision Components B5T-007001 Connection Manual. In this presentation, information regarding the setup, installation, and function for the HVC-P2 and its evaluation software will be covered. Caution: before using this equipment, please be sure to read the instruction manual of this device. Section 1. Confirmation of enclosed items. In this section, the items found inside the HVC package will be checked. Please make sure that you have your HVC package in front of you to confirm the contents inside of it. Please do this before moving on to the next slide. Inside the HVC packaging, one should find one B5T-007001 device, as well as two instruction sheets. One of them is the English version and the other is the Japanese version. Section 2. Prepared items. In this section, items that do not come in the HVC-P2 package will be discussed. To complete installation of this HVC-P2, drivers, and eval software, the items discussed in this section are necessary. Please have prepared one USB 2.0 micro USB cable and a laptop or computer running Windows operating systems versions 7, 8, 8.1, or 10. Later in this presentation, we will discuss how to find what operating system your computer is running. Prepare the USB cable for communication. It is important to note that if you are trying to use a charge-dedicated USB cable for communication, then the HVC will not function properly. Administrator privilege is needed to install the operating software for HVC-P2. It is recommended to log in as an administrator while downloading the HVC software. Most computers are already set to administrator privileges unless you have previously changed them. Please check the version of Windows that your PC is running before trying to install the software on your computer. To do this, hold down the Windows key and then press the R key. When the Run menu opens, enter WinVer in the search bar and click OK. Another menu should pop up displaying the version of Windows that your computer is running. Section 3. USB drivers installation. In this section, instructions will be shared on how to install the USB drivers necessary for the HVC-P2 to run. Launch any internet browser from your PC and access the above URL. The URL is also listed in the instruction manual that is included in the package the HVC comes in. After arriving at the URL provided, please click on the Product Information tab. From the downloadable contents of the HVC-P2, please download the USB driver.zip file. This is labeled as USB driver and should prompt you to download once you click on it. It is also helpful to check the USB driver installation manual appropriate for the operating system that your computer is running. This document covers some frequently asked questions and troubleshoots other issues commonly found in HVC-P2 driver installation. The next step in the installation of the USB driver software is to connect the B5T-007001 to your PC. If the installation of the USB driver starts automatically, please continue the installation according to the USB driver installation manual. In the unlikely event that the installation does not start automatically, refer to the Correspondence of Installation Failure section in the driver installation manual. When the installation is completed, one needs to confirm the COM port from the device manager. Once again, hold down the Windows key, then press R. When the Run menu opens, enter the words highlighted in this slide and click OK. The Device Manager window should open after this action is complete. If the installation was done properly, in the tab labeled Ports, and then in parentheses COM and LPT, one will find USB serial device for a computer running Windows 10 operating system, or OMRON serial converter for a computer running Windows 7, 8, or 8.1 operating systems. Double-click the corresponding device name and open its properties. Installation was successful if it says this device is working properly. The notation COM next to the device name references its communication port number. When running the evaluation software, the COM port number the software is referencing should match the COM port number in this Properties menu. Please also check that the LED lamp on the HVC-P2's main board is on. If it is on, this shows that the device is receiving power and is functional. Section 4. Evaluation Software's Installation. This section covers the basics of using and installing the evaluation software for the HVC-P2. The evaluation software is a demonstration software that showcases the functions of the B5T-007001. Below are the 10 types of image sensing functions that can be tested, including face detection, human body detection, hand detection, age estimation, gender estimation, expression estimation, face direction estimation, gaze estimation, blink estimation, and facial recognition. OMRON's original image sensing technology, OCow-Vision, is utilized in the B5T. OCow-Vision achieves high detection and recognition performance. This has led to a high volume production and shipment results exceeding 500 million licenses. From the URL in which you downloaded the USB driver, one will find the other downloadable contents of the B5T. Please download the evaluation software.zip file from the downloadable contents of the B5T page. Throughout this process, please check the evaluation software manual if clarification is necessary. After downloading the evaluation software, connect the B5T to your PC. Confirm that the LED is on, which signifies that your device is functioning. The next step in the process is to unzip the downloaded zip file and start up HVC-Demoe.exe file. After opening the HVC-Demoe.exe file, the menu shown on the right of this slide should appear. In the port drop-down menu, please select the COM port that you have designated for your HVC device. If you do not remember the port number that you assigned to your device, please refer to sections 3-5 to 3-8 of this presentation. Baud rate is a reference to the amount of data that is transferred during serial communication. For example, if the baud rate is 9600, that refers to the device transferring 9600 bits per second. When the screen pictured to the right is displayed, first-time activation is completed. The following slides show examples of what the evaluation software interface looks like when functioning properly. Clicking on the function buttons on the side will activate that particular function. Note, for the direction, age, gender, gaze, blink, expression, and recognition functions, the face option needs to be activated first. Section 5. Downloadable Contents. Additional information regarding the HVC-P2 will be covered in this section. Please visit the showcased URL to find datasheets, command specifications, and accessories of OMRON's human vision component B5T-007001. For viewing, a PDF viewing tool such as Adobe Reader is required. If it's not installed in your PC, you can visit the Adobe website and install it from there. Pictured on this slide are the downloadable contents available for the B5T. To find this information, please visit the URL provided in previous slides of this presentation.